Now at noon, a San Antonio councilman is found repeatedly in violation of the city's ethics code. A board making the ruling surrounding a complaint against District 10's Mark Whyte. He was accused by a local attorney of abusing his position during a family dispute. KENS 5's Sarah Duran reports on the outcome.
Yeah, so a lot happened here last night. The board was tasked with finding out if Councilman Mark Whyte violated 4 separate provisions of the city's ethics code. They ultimately decided he knowingly violated 3 of those sections. Whyte will now be referred to ethics training, and he will also be given a letter of reprimand. Now, this was the result of a complaint brought by local attorney Martin Phipps. He accused the councilman of abusing his authority on April 26 by sending police to his house where there was apparently a private family dispute that night involving Phipps's ex-wife and daughter. The ex-wife initially called 911, but then she also messaged the councilman's wife, an appellate attorney who had briefly been involved in the couple's ongoing custody dispute involving that child. Whyte told the board his actions that night were as a concerned citizen when he contacted Chief Willie McManus's direct line instead of calling 911.
I knew that I had to do something. And the words from my wife about how serious it was, I knew I had to act and act quickly to find out what was going on and ensure that that child was safe. So I texted Chief McManus, okay? A guy who you'll hear later in the testimony. He gives out his number at neighborhood meetings.
And that became a sticking point with the board, who claimed having the police chief's phone number was a point of privilege as a council person. In his rebuttal, Phipps agreed that average people in San Antonio don't have the police chief's number. And he used that message to build his case that Whyte was trying to influence a particular outcome even after police left.
I don't have Chief McManus's phone number. Maybe some people do. But when you're texting him after it's over, saying, oh, I hope that girl's okay, and I can't believe they left, he's trying to influence the chief. What they do is they don't want you to look at the pink elephant in the room. And the pink elephant is you were using your office and your prestige to get a result that you wanted.
After 3 hours of testimony, the board deliberated behind closed doors in executive session, and that's when they ruled Whyte abused his power. Next, the board has until August 19th, which is Monday, to issue a written opinion on their decision. For a complete breakdown of last night's meeting, you can go to our website at KENS5.com. All you need to do is just click on the story. In the studio, Sarah Duran, KENS 5.